Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction, here with you for part, I believe, 5, could be wrong. Wow, I'm going to show you a shark. That's pretty cool. I was going to show you something much more boring, but let me zero in on him. Unfortunately, so sunny. Well, anyway, this is my workspace today. It's not a terrible workspace. Oh, there's the shark some more. I am in a real glary spot. I can't see. Anyway, that's a little shark having some food. I'll get back into the shade where I was actually working. So, as I'm magnified in extremely. Okay, so here we have Action Clear High Performance Marine Clear Coat. So I've got a number of the aluminum parts that I've gone over with you in the past episodes. By the way, if you're just jumping into this, go back. This is part, I believe, 5. Go back and hit part 1. I will load them in reverse order, hit autoplay, and you can just kick back and relax for a while as I take you through the restoration of really any plastic kayak. But this happens to be, I think, maybe around a 1997 Necky plastic kayak with the full foot pedals and rudders and everything, as you can obviously see. So anyway, you know, you can use, this is just a 1K product. You can use a 2K product. You can use an adhesion promoter before. You want to be sure and do really nice prep work as far as if you've done some polishing to it. You know, make sure you're removing all the grease and oils with some, you know, body solvent like they use in paint shops. You can find that at O'Reilly's. It's like Duplicolor soy-based paint, or they might have another name brand. But anyway, you just want to make sure that you're not touching these before you're going to be clear coating. Wear gloves. You want to always, you know, keep your environment clean. I came outside just because this has a chemical called toluene, which is a very dangerous product to breathe in. So I was wearing a mask. I just put the second coat on. You put a light coat on, wait 20 minutes, come in, put your second coat. I decided, since it's so nice out here, I decided why not come outside and just get a little in. I wasn't actually planning on doing much today here, but I came by just to kind of check on things, how some parts have been going, and was pleasantly surprised. So again, I don't have my pistol grip camera holder. So here's the workspace. Here's some other kayaks. Oh, I think I've got you. Yeah, I still had you in kind of close. So, you know, paddle surfboards. Sup, man? So, fresh from the paint shop. Look at that gloss. Look at that shine. Ignore the fact that I have a towel over. I just cleaned up with a new flapper sander. This is an 80 grit. I was using a 120 before to remove the pinstriping and stuff, but I was able to go along here and clean up some edges where, you know, the painter, it was just a little bit rough, and so, you know, just went ahead. We're going to use really nice adhesive on there. This was all broken, and we just didn't know what we were going to do, but the owner came across. We used the old rudder holder, and even though we ordered a new one, and then he found this perfect match 4-inch hatch. So it's just going to be awesome. The color match, we use the inside of this hatch, and even though the lighting isn't really good, let's see there, it's a nice match. So this is going to be the assembly stage until it's finished, and got a couple workstations set up. Last week we counted up all the hardware, all the things we were going to need, all the things we didn't have, all the things we wanted to have. So shout out to topkayaker.net or .com. And thanks to Tom, situated a lot of this. He's even got like old stickers, things like that. So we're going to put this together top notch, and get, sorry, had you kind of all off here. New rails, new handles, new everything we could go new with. And this mechanism right here, this little plastic part, is called a sheave, and we didn't have one, but we are kind of Frankensteining some stuff together. There's still a few things to figure out. Lots of hardware, lots of washers, and to you know, do all of these half eyes. I think we're at 72 of all of those. Created some stoppers. These go on either side of the rudder, and we got some hard plastic tubing and bored this out, dropped these in, got the washers, got the rubber gaskets. So these will be going onto the back, which will hold the rudder in place and not let it go too far over, as our old ones were completely destroyed. And we've got our rudder brace here, and now that I can actually have this removed and get inside there, it's going to make life really good, because this was all broken apart on the old one. You may find when you take your kayak apart, you've got a lot of old caulk. I think this one has some glue, some caulk, some putty, some sealant. I'm not really sure what is going on with this. This particular hatch piece, I took some magic erasers and some isopropyl alcohol and kind of cleaned and opened up some of the pores in the plastic. I didn't rub a lot, I didn't rub too hard, but I wanted to thoroughly clean the plastic to be accepting for a product called Solution Finish. It comes in gray and black. You can get a small bottle or a large bottle. Little bit goes a long way. Don't think that you need to buy the big bottle if you've just got, you know, a few bumpers on your, you know, Grand Cherokee or Jeep or something like that, plastic parts. The little bottle can last you a long time. It's not going to go bad. You can always get another one. But anyway, I did 2 coats of basically Solution Finish, which is a black dye. And then I've got an actual bottle of ceramic coating at the house. This is like $100 for 60 mils, which is a very small bottle, but it's true ceramic coating, and it's applicable towards plastics. I did 2 separate coats stretched out over a couple days. You want to give it at least a 24-hour cure time before coats. So anyway, this thing is as buttoned up as it's going to be, and we saved some money by using our nice old parts. And I think that gets you pretty much up to speed. We've got stuff in here. We've got all our brand new stuff from Top Kayaker, and I think that's going to be it. We've got a new portable kayak stand. That's going to come in very handy. Right now the kayak is just on some blankets and stuff on a regular like long table like you'd have for a card table or, you know, picnic table, something like that. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to give you up to date. I didn't want to come in and go, wham, look, it's all back together. I kind of wanted you to show you the basics. After painting, there was a very special plastic adhesive remover applied to this, and then it was given, I'm not sure how many coats. I don't know anything about this paint, but maybe next time when I come back for part, which I believe is 6, I think this is 5, forgive me if I'm wrong. They're all, you know, loaded in the YouTube, and this has been stretched out over, I don't know, at least a month or so. So anyway, I'm going to see you on the flip side here. Yep, that's the flip side. So anyway, thank you for being with me. Please hit the notification bell, ding, so you get updated videos as they come out. I see a little bit of yellow, dusty paint on my lens. I hope that didn't interfere with anything too much. I will be back with you next, and you know, I don't know how much of the process I'm really going to show you, but I'll just go over some things. I think I covered the ordering of the parts last time, so pretty good stuff, and can't wait to get this project all wrapped up and move on. But it's nice, I can just kind of work on this as I see fit in the hours I choose to, and I'm doing basically 4 or 5 hours twice a week. So anyway, it is a project, you know, be ready for it. There's a lot of variables and things to go on, but I thank you for being with me. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I will see you next time on the flip side. Hey, you get a double flip side. Thanks a lot.